To our school administration, allow us to first read the names of our generous cash donors. Anonymous, LCSI Administration, Mrs. Roselle Labeng-Dizon, Mrs. Violeta Paho, Mrs. Salome Humphrey, Mrs. Julissa Esuna, Dr. Richie Tokoro, Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Panadas Jr., Mr. and Mrs. Abelardo Tomoy, Mr. and Mrs. Rolando Campasas, Mr. and Mrs. Donald Cabaya, Mr. and Mrs. Bernabe Cabaya Jr., Mr. and Mrs. Gary Salva, Mr. and Mrs. Serishu Uman, Mr. and Mrs. Vali Alaya, Mr. and Mrs. Roberto Apurado, Mr. and Mrs. Roger Bacaya, Mr. and Mrs. Mary Ann Salido, Mr. and Mrs. J. Lord Salvia, Anonymous, Mr. and Mrs. Emily Alonios, Mrs. Noemi Apurado, Honorable Vice Mayor Rebelio Go, Honorable Pearl Annabel Capaling, Team Jupiter, Mr. and Mrs. Ignacio Acaso, Anonymous, my classmate, Mr. Popoy Villavito, Police Colonel Jim Tombo, Mrs. Eileen Dagyo, Engineer Jose Noel Gonzalez, Captain Emerson Kahapon, Mr. J.J. Anoscos, Mr. Jeremy and Mrs. Gerald Galon, Honorable Ampong Nicolo, Honorable Diador, Honorable Antigo, Mr. and Mrs. Jonah Realiza, Rolling Amas, Honorable and Mrs. Jojo Pinoso, Anonymous, Mary Jane Laurencio, Mr. Edgar Capabala, Mr. Renato Rosalen, Mrs. Rosemilla Rosalen, 91st Annuary Company, Anonymous, and Mr. Bernie Tahami. Thank you once again to everyone who gave their time, resources, and hearts. This is more than a structure. It is a symbol of unity, love, and shared purpose. And now, with grateful hearts, after acknowledging the generosity of our cash donors, we, the parents, teachers, community association, PTCA, now formally turn over the completed covered pathway project to the Nabasong Christian School Incorporated Administration, together with the office printer for our hardworking faculty, the 32-inch smart TV for our kindergarten learners, the remaining construction materials, and the remaining funds from our kind-hearted parents and donors. May these gifts serve as lasting symbols of of our unity, shared vision, and love for our children's future. Thank you, and may God